have seen more than a million persons eat. None can be compared to how caring and loving you are, even in your imperfection. I see someone who is perfect, all because my love for you sees the good in you. Here is a message from the depth of my heart, just to let you know that no matter how wrong and thug things go, you always own my heart. Words alone cannot paint the depth of my love for you, all because you are the most amazing person I have ever met. I love you so much, baby. Going through each day with you makes me feel better and stronger. Truly, there is so much I will do just to let you know that you are the most amazing person I have in the world. Here is a message from the depth of my heart, just to let you know that I love you with everything I have. Here is a message from my heart, to let you know that if I had a thousand choices, I will still choose to be with you. Here is a message from my heart, just to let you know that no one can ever replace you in my heart. I love you really much, dear. The love I have for you cannot be expressed by mere words. There are so many persons in the world, yet none can be compared to how loving and caring you are. Here is a message to let you know that you are the most special person I have going through this life is journey with You has made me a better person, and there is nothing I wouldn't do to keep our love moving forward when the time comes. I want you to look at me and tell other that yes, there exists a thing that can be called true and sincere love. I hurt you really much, babe. Having a love that is as loving as you are is what makes me feel happy and strong. You have always been there for me in times that I am weak and confused. You have always been there for me in times that I need a listening ear. You have always been there for me in times that I want companionship. There is nothing that can be used in describing the kind of love you have always shown to me, and I have just one direction to make to love you more. You are amazing, and I will always treat you like the every best that you are. I love you really much, dear.